We're going to school and let's go shower. 3, 2, 1, go. Hi guys, I finished shower. Look at me. I'm wearing summer t-shirt. Let's go brush. Let's brush some my hair. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, I'm finished brushing my hair. And guys, tapos na ako mag-supply. Guys, sasabihin natin ito. Ayan na ako mag-3, 2, 1, go. Ayun guys. Nakatali na ako. First, syempre guys, magpupulba ka. Pabaho-bahin nila ako.
Ano na ipon? Aliyah?
Wait lang. Hi guys, I'm going to put in some just yan guys, nakahubad pa yan si Ibon. Sabi mo dito. Okay, I'm going to school.